So what is your name?
Guilherme.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil, São Paulo.
For how long you've been here in Japan?
I've been here in five days. Really nice to see my oranges. I have Japanese descendants, so it's really nice to be in here.
So can you tell us a little bit about your connection with Japan as a Japanese Brazilian?
All my family are Japanese, so I kind of have a lot of Japanese culture in my life. But I think I'm more to Japan than Brazil. Japanese culture really influenced my life.
What it's like growing up in Brazil as a Japanese?
When I was more young, I think that I felt different from other Brazilians.
Okay.
But with time, I started to feel more integrated, in Brazil, and yeah, now I think that I'm kind of okay with being Japanese in Brazil.
Okay. Do you speak Japanese?
No, only the basics.
So you feel connected with Japan even though you don't speak the language?
Yeah, I think I feel connected with the culture, with the people and this kind of stuff. All of my family are Japanese. I grew up with eating Japanese foods. Because of that, I really feel connected with Japanese culture.
No. Is this your first time in Japan?
Yes, it's my first time. I'm really excited by staying here in Japan.
What do you like about Brazilian culture?
I think that Brazilian culture, the best thing is the people. They are really receptive people, really friendly people. I think that this is the best part of Brazilian culture.
When you came here to Japan, did you feel that it was easy for you to understand the culture and the people?
I think that people from Europe, United States, etc. I think that they always say that Japan's like another world or something. But when I got here, I saw that it's not so different from European and United States culture or even Brazilian culture. No, the people are really different,
Yeah.
but it's not something of Mars, something like that.
I guess what most of us outsiders find so fascinating about
Exactly.
Japan is their level of politeness. They
Yes,
are
yes, yes.
very polite, very, very respectful, and their customer service is like very, very good. So we think like, wow, the Japanese people are like different creatures, like it's a different planet. Do you feel that way, or because you got used to Japanese people back in Brazil, you didn't feel that difference?
Yeah, I think that they are really polite, but it's not something of other world, like everyone say.